Earlier this year, we stayed at the Leonardo Royal Hotel, Southampton Grand Harbour, before our cruise. But was this hotel any good, and should you stay there? Take it away, Rach.
Welcome to room 117 at the Leonardo Royal Harbour in Southampton. Let's take a look. We're going to start off in the bedroom. In the corner, you've got a little lamp and a chair. I think the chair's really comfy for reading, but the lamp doesn't give off a great amount of light. On the table here, complimentary water, which is lovely. And then you can have your choice of room service, which is available from 12 p.m. till 10 p.m. and some available 24 hours if it's got a little ticky sign next to it. That's nice. Okie dokie. Now we got upgraded and we've got a balcony. Come and have a little look. There's only room for one out here, but we've got a great view. We think that's the Mayflower terminal. That's an MSC ship. Yes, it is a bit noisy with the dual carriageway outside, but you're only here before you start your cruise. Let's go back inside. Up if you can. Up, over, up and over, up and over. One thing we did realise, and this is not the hotel's fault, this is us. We sleep with our bedroom window open year round. We love fresh air, and we both woke up about 1 o'clock in the morning going and had to get up, wedge the balcony door open with a shoe. But that's just us. Right, let's move on to the little complimentary drink. So they've got, it's not an espresso I don't think, but it's like an espresso. Coffee, tea. By the way, we've lived here overnight now, hence the wine glasses. And we have tidied up, but we can now tell you what it was like because we've lived here overnight. Say hello to us in the mirror. Hello. But that's like your little desk station. This lamp has been a bit dodgy.
Show them.
Yeah, well, not at all. It's not even coming on at the moment.
Oh, dear.
Oh, there you go. Here's a look. It's being good now for this, but it was very, yeah. So I'd say do your makeup in the bathroom. Comfy chair though, low chair. I sound that.
I didn't do my makeup in the bathroom.
Right, next on to the bed. So, bedside table. You've got a USB and a UK socket and lights that work the bedside lamps and the main lights. Very comfy bed. Very, very comfy bed. Really enjoy it. Firm. On the other side, exactly the same, but you've got the phone. That's it. Yeah, same socket. TV. Should we say about the TV?
It's a big one.
So, it is a smart TV, but it's called a smart scan TV. So you can watch regular TV, and then if you connect to a certain internet, it's not the main hotel's internet, is it?
No.
No. Scan something, cast. You can then, your phone will now then mimic and play on the TV. So we watched some YouTube last night, but they had Netflix, they had Disney, so you can watch all of that, but you've got to use your smartphone to do it. But nice big bed, loads of space around the outside. We put our cases at the end, and there was still loads of place, even with these cases open, to walk, which was brilliant. There is a place for a case, but we'll show you in a minute. Right, in this little area here, you have your fridge. There's nothing in your fridge, but you can store your water in there. That's all right. We thought this was something, but that's nothing. Then you've got a mirror as you come in. Then here you've got a safe at the bottom, and that's again nothing there. That's a bit of a waste of space, really. Okay, or is that that's the fridge, isn't it? Yeah. Up here, nothing. Then you've got space for a case. Top drawer. Now the hairdryer was in there, but it's not there now. You put it in this one. And you've got a hairdryer. It's a good hairdryer. It's not one of your little ones. It's a good meaty hairdryer, and I've used that this morning, and that was great. And then you've got an iron. You've got water for your ironing board, and a few hangers. There's not massive storage space in here, but just for the night before you cruise, ample. Right, onto the bathroom. In we come. So, shower with curtain and bath. Those are our towels that are going now. White Company Noir, very, very nice. You've got shampoo and your shampoo built-in conditioner. Ladies bring a separate conditioner and body wash. And you've got a hand shower as well. Temperature nice, pressure nice, did you think?
Yeah.
Really good. Then over here, in your sink area, you've got two flannels. It was spotlessly clean, ignore the toothpaste marks. You've got two little glasses, should you need them. And then we've got hand wash and hand cream here, box of tissues, heated towel rail, I'm getting stuck behind you now, heated towel rail and toilette, all spotlessly clean. Nice colour, I like the decor in here as well. So that is the room tour. Highly recommend this hotel. If you watched our other video, price £64.60. It's not that year round. This is February, this is not school holidays, and this was a Thursday. We have had a look on booking.com. This room can go for over 200 quid. So bargain of the century. Breakfast was absolutely lovely. Let's see a little bit more.
That wasn't us, promise. Someone had a very good night in that room. Breakfast was not included and was supposed to be £18 per person, but they gave us a discount and we got the breakfast for £15 per person, bringing this entire stay to £94.60 for both of us, including breakfast. So what's included? Well, water and juice, tea and coffee. The coffee was excellent. A full English hot breakfast, pastries, a range of cereal, fresh fruit and Will's favourite, toast. And we had full English, of course we did. We had a cruise ship to embark. The hotel has this wonderful glass front, which makes for a really gorgeous bar. The decor throughout the hotel is stylish and everything was spotlessly clean. Upstairs you'll find a spa and leisure club. Many treatments are available and there is a sauna and steam room to relax in. There's also a good-sized gym and pool area that you can use. And when you've finished relaxing, head to the excellent staff at reception to get a cab to your cruise ship. Do we recommend Leonardo Royal Hotel Southampton Grand Harbour? Yes, we do. Cheers!